Meet the new TYPHON TERROR 17 Pro. With a 800 pounds operating weight, the Terror 17 Pro delivers the power, stability, and durability needed for demanding jobs. Upgraded protection and improved comfort help you stay productive all day. Powered by the reliable Kubota D902 diesel engine, this machine delivers up to 20.4 HP with smooth performance, excellent fuel efficiency, and dependable reliability. The EPA-certified engine, large hydraulic oil reservoir, and fuel tank help reduce downtime, allowing you to work longer with confidence. The high-pressure hydraulic system provides powerful digging performance with smooth, precise controls for everyday jobs. The integrated oil cooler helps prevent overheating and keeps the hydraulic system performing at its best. The offset boom with 45 degrees left and 55 degrees right swing makes digging around walls and tight spaces easier. Wide rubber tracks provide excellent traction and stability while traveling smoothly across different terrains. A strong 14 kilonewtons digging force allows the Terror 17 Pro to handle hard soil and demanding excavation work with ease. A premium seat and spacious operator station help reduce fatigue and provide comfort throughout long working hours. Armored hydraulic hoses and protected valves improve durability and help reduce maintenance in tough working conditions. From trenching and grading to landscaping and construction, the Terror 17 Pro delivers reliable performance every day. Power you can trust. Combining Kubota power, advanced hydraulics, strong digging performance, and operator comfort, the TYPHON Terror 17 Pro is built to handle tough jobs.